Day 44, Meditation on Faith. If we feel that once our Master has left this world, our devotion no longer has a focus, that means it was mixed with attachment. We were attached to our Master as to a companion, an ordinary being, a partner, a loved one. In such a case, when the Master dies, he completely disappears and we are lost. What we felt for him was undoubtedly not true devotion. Words to meditate on. Be devoted to yourself, your highest, truest self, that full connected self. Our minds are so powerful. Happy meditating.